I didn't know that I needed my lamps to have USB ports so that I can charge stuff, but ever since I've had these in my home, I have absolutely loved it. You can instantly create a charging station anywhere you put this lamp. And I love that you don't need little extra block, because a lot of products these days come with the USB charging cable, but no block. So you need that extra little block to plug it into the wall. But since these lamps have USB ports, you can go straight into the lamp, no more block needed. So these are perfect for nightstands because you can just charge your phone every night or any device you really want to. But of course you can use them in any room. I put them in my foyer, and they don't just add really great light, but they're really pretty to look at. And of course I can now charge anything I need right there. They have a really pretty satin black finish with gold details, and they're much prettier in person than they are in the listing. I love the textured oatmeal linen shades and the turned wooden base. There is a little assembly required, but it is super easy to do. You basically just need to build the shades, and they work with Velcro, so it goes really quick. Something else I wanted to note is that the USB ports each come labeled with a little sticker, and I tried to remove them, but it left glue behind. So all I did to remove that was I grabbed some alcohol and it rubbed right off with a paper towel. It was super quick and easy to do, so I recommend doing that if you also don't want the stickers on the lamp. But yeah, I can't say enough good things about these lamps. I really love them, and now I have this problem where I need all of my lamps moving forward to have a USB port. I can definitely recommend them.